Hey guys, Justin Conway from World Ninja Sport with another build, another amazing concept. This one, for this dude right over here, Alex Robinson, we did a flying bar and walking bar cradle concept on the floating pegboards. So you have a pegboard across one side of the bulkhead, 15 feet long, flying bar cradles. So this bar can move from one to the other, all the way down, and these can all pop out and move into other places. So 15 feet on both sides, plus T-nuts and other mechanisms that can hook into the system, including things like skyhooks. So we have skyhooks right here, and this one is set up so that you have to do a reverse grab onto the skyhook. Super tricky. You'll take a close look here. You'll see inside of the pegboard. Obviously, you can use the holes as pegboard holes to go across. These extra holes here are in case you want to move the cradles over. And then up there, all those other little holes are T-nuts. So you can put in rock climbing holds and a ton of other ninja accessories. They all hook into those things. Then of course, anything that you do hook into those things, even like the sky hooks and stuff, you can hang obstacles from those attachment points. Also, these cradles can be used basically like a cliffhanger. Grab onto it like that. The shade of other sides. And we have cliffhangers. So there's one installed right there. We have a ton more, and you can put them wherever you want. Let's move over to the other lane. We have the ninja attachment lane. We have a stronghold switch grip hanging here, and another one there. But up here, you'll see the eye loops coming out of the ceiling. This is 10 feet of interchangeable eye loop system. So you can take any one of these hanging holds, hang it from the eye loops. And then finally, the coup de grace, the doorway salmon ladder. 3 rungs, up and down, nice clacking sound. So it's pretty legit. If you're interested, feel free to reach out to us, Justin Conway, worldninjasport.com. Talk to you guys soon.